Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Anna Marie and I'm a part of the Alienware community team, and today I'm going to be doing a first look at the latest edition of the M series family, the Alienware M15 R7. With the M series, our focus is on raw power, and the M15 R7 delivers as the most powerful 15-inch Alienware laptop to date. We're looking at the Intel version of the M15 R7. Don't worry, I'm going to cover the AMD version later this spring, closer to its availability. The M15 R7 has improved performance and cooling due to a few things: 12th gen Intel Core processors, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series laptop graphics, a thermal design power of 170 watts, and we've updated our Alienware Cryotech cooling with the newly optimized and super thin fan blades. It also has enhanced display technology because of a few things: ray tracing, NVIDIA DLSS, and Max-Q technologies through NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, NVIDIA's G-Sync and Advanced Optimus technologies, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos, allowing you to view and hear your games the way the studios intended. You can also customize your M15 R7 in a couple different ways. You have the option to add the Cherry MX keyboard. You can also add up to 64 gigs of DDR5 memory, or upgrade it later. There are two M.2 slots for SSDs, allowing you to have up to 4 terabytes of storage, and you can choose to upgrade to a 240-watt small form factor power adapter. This is the system that I'll be showing you here today. Designed to be recognizable as a part of the Alienware family, the M15 R7 embodies our Legend 2.0 design. But don't worry, we've kept all the things we love, including alien effects and geometric forms, all designed to put performance first. Along the perimeter and inside the laptop, all surfaces are part of what we call the dark core, which removes distractions and helps you focus on your gaming by keeping vents and cables out of the way. Let's take a look at the connectivity options. Starting on the left, configurations with the 3060, 3070 Ti, or the 3080 Ti graphics come with one RJ45 Killer E3100 2.5 gig Ethernet port. Configurations with the 3050 Ti graphics come with one RJ45 8111 gigabit Ethernet port. All configurations have one global headset jack. Moving to the right, two USB Type-A 3.2 5 gig ports, one with PowerShare technology. And finally, at the back, configurations with the 3060, the 3070 Ti, or the 3080 Ti graphics come with one USB Type-C with Thunderbolt 4 and USB 4 support. Configurations with the 3050 Ti graphics come with one USB Type-C port. All configurations come with one HDMI 2.1 with HDCP 2.3 support with NVIDIA GeForce graphics and a charging port. Like the previous generation, the M15 R7 will include a 240-watt power adapter, but will also offer an optional small form factor power adapter that is 25% lighter and 46% smaller by volume. When it comes to graphics, the M15 R7 gives you an experience that is smooth, fast, and as intended by the game studios. This is achieved using the industry's best display technology. First up, we've got NVIDIA's ray tracing and DLSS graphics technologies, which boost frame rates while providing uncompromised image quality and giving you the most realistic physical environment possible. The M15 R7 also features NVIDIA G-Sync and Advanced Optimus technologies, helping you react quickly when it really matters. All configs come with Advanced Optimus technology, which features automatic graphic switching between your NVIDIA GPU and embedded graphics on your Intel processor, using a built-in hardware mux. This lets you use your Intel GPU for basic tasks to save battery life, but switches to your NVIDIA GPU when those frame rates really count. As with all our Alienware laptops launching in 2022, the M15 R7 includes Dolby Vision, which helps you see more in-game with deep blacks and a brilliant color depth. You can also hear your games the way they were intended to be heard with Dolby Atmos, which offers surround sound to help improve reaction times in-game. Lastly, the M15 R7 includes Comfort View Plus, our hardware-based low blue light technology that won't hurt your system's performance or change your image quality. There are 3 display options available. In FHD, you can choose either 165 or a 360 Hz refresh rates, and in QHD, you get a 240 Hz refresh rate. All of these include G-Sync, Advanced Optimus, and Comfort View Plus. On this device, we're also bringing you Alienware's Cherry MX Ultra Low Profile Mechanical Keyboard with per-key Alien FX lighting. This keyboard, which we initially launched on the M15 M17 R3, was co-developed with Cherry and has a total key travel of 1.8 millimeters, delivering a fantastic typing experience due to the tactile feel and mechanical key switch design. With this new generation of the M15, we have raised the maximum graphics power by 15 watts. Previously, the M15 R5 with a 3080 maxed out at 125 watts. But we've increased that to 140 watts on the M15 R7, equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti. These new graphics and processors combined support a total TDP of 170 watts total, making the M15 R7 series laptops Alienware's most powerful 15-inch family of laptops yet. The M15 R7 includes newly optimized cryotech cooling technology. We've used fan blades that are 37% thinner than our previous M15 laptops. We've also increased the number of fan blades, resulting in 2.3 times more blades compared to the previous generation, giving you significantly better airflow. We've prioritized performance with our dual fan design that pulls in cool air from the top and bottom vents. We exhaust the heat through the left, right, and rear vents for optimal cooling. To move heat from critical components such as the GPU and CPU, we've included 4 copper composite heat pipes. We've included our revolutionary Element 31 on configurations with NVIDIA 3070 Ti graphics and above. Element 31 is the industry's first thermal interface material, which encapsulates liquid metal in a traditional paste and has been engineered by Dell. This allows the heat to move away from key components to the cooling system faster, and helps the CPU to remain in turbo mode for twice as long compared to if you didn't have Element 31. And finally, to help you manage your CPU temps, we're continuing to offer the TCC offset feature. You can find more information about this and how to enable it in the description down below. You can also spec out your M15 R7 with up to 64 gigs of DDR5 memory. The M15 R7 uses standard SODIMM slots, so if you wanted to start with less, you can upgrade it later. When it comes to storage, we've included 2 M.2 slots for SSDs, capable of handling up to 4 terabytes of high-speed solid-state storage. The Alienware M15 R7 is perfect for gamers that prioritize performance. The improved performance and cooling capabilities are due to a few things: 12th gen Intel Core processors, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series laptop graphics, a thermal design power of 170 watts, and we've upgraded our Alienware cryotech cooling with newly optimized and super thin fan blades. It also has enhanced display technology because of ray tracing, NVIDIA DLSS, and Max-Q technologies through NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, NVIDIA's G-Sync and Advanced Optimus technologies, and Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, allowing you to view and hear your games the way the studio's intended. Don't forget, you're also able to customize your system. You have the option to add the Cherry MX keyboard. You can also add up to 64 gigs of DDR5 memory, or you can upgrade it later. There are 2 M.2 slots for SSDs, allowing you to have up to 4 terabytes of storage. And you can choose to upgrade to a 240-watt small form factor power adapter. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ding that bell. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye, friends.